Students, we are discussing statistics chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss mode. What is mode? Mode is the most often repeated score in the given distribution. So mode is nothing but it is the most often repeated score in the given distribution. Let us take the example. The number of wickets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. In that match, the number of matches 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. Here, the number of wickets are arranged in an increasing order and number of matches are written. Here, the 2 wicket is repeated 3 times. So, this 3 is called mode of the given distribution. So, this 2 is repeated maximum 3 times. That's why this 2 is called mode. Here, the number of wickets means 2 wickets is repeated 3 times. This 2 is called mode. For the calculation of group data, we are using mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula to find the mode for the group data. Here what is L? L is nothing but the lower limit of the model class. And H is nothing but size of the class interval. And F1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. F0 is nothing but frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 is nothing but frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Now let us solve some of the problems based on this mode. Find mode for the following data. Here we have written the class interval and frequency in the form of columns. Now 5 to 15 frequency is 6, 15 to 25 frequency is 11, 25 to 35 frequency is 21, 35 to 45 frequency is 23, 45 to 55 frequency is 14, 55 to 65 frequency is 5. Observe in this frequency column, this 23 is repeated, or 23 is the maximum frequency. This maximum frequency is called F1. So in the frequency column, we have to identify the maximum frequency. Here the maximum frequency is 23. This is F1. So let us take maximum frequency is 23. So the maximum frequency is repeated in which class interval? This maximum frequency is repeated in the class interval 35 to 45. Here 35 is the lower limit. So the model class is 35 to 45 and the lower limit of the class is L is equal to 35. So here L is equal to 35 is the lower limit. Then find class size or height of the class interval which is equal to 10. So here 35 is repeated. Here the lower limit of the class interval is repeated as upper limit. Then the class interval becomes, then the size of the class becomes 10. Then already I said frequency of the model class is F1 is equal to 23. Then above this one is F0. So above this one means frequency of the class preceding the model class is 21. So this F0 becomes 21. Frequency of the class preceding the model class is 21, which is nothing but F0. Then what is this 14? 14 is nothing but F2. So F2 is nothing but frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Here the model class is nothing but 23. In this 23, the class interval falls under 35 to 45. So this is the model class and the frequency is 23 and the succeeding frequency is 14. This is F2. So F2 is equal to 14. Now add all the frequency, you will get 80. Then how to find the mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the lower limit is 35. Here 35 is the lower limit. So this L is nothing but the lower limit. So L is the lower limit. Substitute here. L is equal to 35. F1. So F1 is nothing but 23. Substitute 23. Then F0. F0 is nothing but 21. So substitute 21. Then 2 into F1 is 23. F0 is 21. Then F2 is 14. Into height of the class interval or size of the class interval is 10. So substitute 10. Then 35 plus 21 minus 20, 23 minus 21 is 2. Then multiply 23 into 2 is 46. Then add minus 21 and 14. So if you add 21 and 14, then you will get minus 35. So answer is minus 35. Then subtract 46 minus 35 is 11. Then 2 into 10. Multiply 2 into 10. You will get 20. 2 into 10 is 20. Then 35 as it is. Then divide, you will get 1.82. Then the answer is 36.82. So the mode for the given data is 36.82. Let us move to the next problem. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Family size. A survey conducted for 20 houses. The family size 1 to 3 means family size 1 to 3. The number of families is 7 means the number of people, the family members are 1 to 3 is nothing but 7 families. 3 to 5 family members is 8. 5 to 7 family members is 2. 7 to 9 family members is 2. 9 to 11 family members is only 1. So we have to find mode for this given data. So first let us find, here we have to take this number of families as F. Here this is nothing but this column is F is the column. Then here the family size is nothing but class interval. So this is class interval. Now observe in these families. So here in this frequency 8 is repeated maximum times. That's why this becomes F1. So here the frequency is 8, which is nothing but F1. 8 is the maximum frequency of this class interval. And here 3 is nothing but the lower limit of the class. And this becomes F0. 7 becomes F0. Then this 2 becomes F1. Therefore, here maximum frequency is 8. Here the maximum frequency is 8. 8 is the maximum frequency. And corresponding to this frequency is 3 to 5. 3 to 5 is the corresponding frequency. Here in this frequency column, 8 is the maximum frequency. Therefore, this is F1. So corresponding to the class interval 3 to 5. So model class is 3 to 5. Here the lower limit of the model class is 3. So this 3 is the lower limit. Class size is 2. So 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is repeated as the lower limit in the class interval. So the height becomes 2. Here also this 5 and 5, this lower limit of the class interval is repeated as the upper limit in the next class interval. That's why we will consider only the successive the limits cannot be considered. Therefore, frequency f1 of the model class is 8. So this is 8. Then frequency of the class preceding the model class is f0. So f0 is nothing but 7 and f1 is nothing but 2. Let us substitute the values in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Lower limit of the class is 3 plus f1 is nothing but 8. f1 is nothing but 8. f1 is nothing but 8. f0 is nothing but 7 divided by 2 into f1 is 8 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. Let us simplify. So if we simplify, we will get 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 to the 16. 16 minus 7 minus 9. So minus 7 minus 9, 2 is minus 9 into 2. So 3 plus multiply 2 into 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 16 minus 9 is 7. So you divide, you will get 3.286. So this is the mode of the given data, 3.286.